Back it up slowly now. Watch the side. Keep it coming. Easy, easy. Stop right there. All right, easy now. And stop right there. You're good.
At the factory entrance, workers carefully inspect each crate of fresh tomatoes, ensuring only the best quality proceeds into production.
A little to the left. Okay, right there. Perfect, easy now. Little lower on this side. Okay, easy now. Push it left. Got it, looks stable.
This illifit. At this stage, the tomatoes undergo a powerful jet wash designed to remove every trace of dust. Every tomato passing through this line is evaluated by both machines and trained hands, ensuring
the final quality check is crucial, ensuring only perfect tomatoes proceed to the next stage for processing.
Once crushed, the tomato pulp is carefully guided into the sieving machines to ensure uniform. The vacuum evaporation process is crucial for concentrating the tomato paste while preserving its vibrant color and flavor.
Here in the evaporation section, the tomato paste thickens in our stainless steel vacuum tanks, with workers continuously checking the viscosity.
Check the pressure on line 3.
Reading 4.5, stable.
Digital readout confirms the temperature increase.
Viscosity is stable at 4500. Increase the mixer speed slightly.
Adjusting the speed now, engineer. Temperature holding at 9.
Increase the steam flow by 5%. The viscosity is normalizing.
Confirmed. Adjusting the valve now.
Once the tomato paste reaches the correct thickness, it is carefully transferred to the cooling section, ready for the next production stage.
Adjust valve 4B. Decrease flow slightly.
Decreasing flow on 4B. Readings are stabilizing.
Adjust the valve slowly. We need to stabilize the temperature reading on tank 2.
We need to reduce the flow slightly to maintain consistency. Monitor the gradient closely.
The temperature is holding at 25. Adjust valve 3B slightly to increase the flow rate.
Increasing flow rate now.
Check the flow rate on line 4. We need to stabilize the temperature before transfer.
Adjusting the valve now, engineer.
We need to maintain the flow rate at 15 liters per minute.
Turning the valve now. It is holding steady.
Adjust valve 4B. Decrease flow slightly.
Decreasing flow on 4B. Readings are stabilizing.
We need to maintain optimal flow here. Adjust the valve carefully.
Understood. Flow is stable now.
Check the flow rate on panel 3. We need to maintain consistency.
Adjusting the valve now, engineer. The readings are stable.
The bright red tomato paste flows smoothly into the bottling line, carefully monitored to ensure consistency and quality before filling.
Check the flow rate on panel 3. We need to maintain consistency.
Adjusting the valve now, engineer. The readings are stable.
Keep an eye on the viscosity.
Yes, calibrating the sensor now.
Engineers carefully monitor the bright red tomato paste filling process, ensuring every bottle is accurately filled and ready for capping.
Check the flow rate on nozzle 12.
Okay, adjusting now. It should be stabilized.
Engineers ensure each bottle is perfectly capped and aligned, maintaining quality and hygiene standards. Ensure the bottles are placed correctly to avoid damage. Keep an eye on the sensor. Each bottle is carefully packed into boxes, ensuring safe shipment and preserving quality for customers.
This 4.5-star hostel tested our tomato ketchup with real guests. The result in them? Rich flavor, perfect texture, and outstanding freshness.